Welcome back to our global foodie tour. My turn now, and we are off to South America. Olé! I am lucky enough to be on board the 6-star luxurious discovery yacht Scenic Eclipse, and oh, what an experience. We have super stylish suites, a sensational spa, incredible staff, and of course, really yummy food.
Today we do ceviche. Ceviche is known as a dish in Peru. Completely wrong, in my opinion. Ceviche is the oldest cooking technique in the world, meaning that ceviche was common all over the world.
As well as several dining areas, Scenic Eclipse, they also have their very own designated culinary teaching space. So, guests can kind of sharpen up on their kitchen skills whilst on board.
We're using tuna today for ceviche, which is very uncommon. I love it a lot because if you marinate a ceviche only for a few minutes, the tuna is very meaty, so it's almost like a steak. It's incredible.
Tom throws in a few cooking tips along the way and some entertaining stories, and voila! Ceviche, like I have never tasted before. So good.
You like it?
Yeah. But it's not just the culinary delights on board. There are loads on shore too. We're in Chile's second biggest city and one of its largest ports, Valparaiso. As well as a flourishing street art community, it's actually got a really thriving cafe culture.
So, I gather you love your cafes around here.
A lot. We have easily more than 80 just in this area. This is one of them.
These Chileans may have a diet heavy in meat and potatoes, but don't worry, there is always room for treats here.
Well, Katrina, we have 3 classics here from Chilean pastry. We have the classic alfajor. Most of our pastry have a lot of dulce de leche, as they call it in Argentina, Uruguay, but we call it manjar.
What's that mean?
Basically milk, sugar cooked for a very, very long time until you get that condensed milk kind of density.
So it's like a cookie dough? How could you not love that? No wonder you're all in a good mood.
Right.
Cruising the high seas on board Scenic Eclipse has exceeded all my wildest dreams of what this luxury discovery yacht would deliver. Today's port of call is Castro. Founded back in 1567, a traditional way of life still reigns supreme here, with many locals living in rural areas around the city.
Today, on Saturday, is when all of these people come from the countryside to offer all of their products.
This is where the party is.
Exactly. So it's also part of the rural economy.
Now, you cannot go past a marketplace as a way of meeting friendly locals and learning more about an area's food scene and special delicacies.
How many varieties of potato have you got?
We have already more than 300 different varieties. So we will see pink potatoes, black, blue, purple, white, yellow, with different shapes, with different flavors.
Scenic Eclipse has an itinerary that allows for free time, as well as the ability to choose your own adventure, which is precisely what a few of my fellow intrepid travellers have chosen to do today. But the smell upstairs, that has led me to my idea of food heaven.
So I recommend the homemade bread.
See, it's
Or
so fresh, as you said.
a cheese empanada.
Okay, muchas gracias.
No, so this is the best. Homemade bread by themselves, still hot. Nothing can be better than this.
Delicioso. Delicioso. Muchas gracias.